welcome back, guys. Today I'm here with one of the faves, RPG once more. So let's see what we got today. Okay, so first leave the bag with the wig. We got a wig cap. Oh my gosh, I got a little gift. Hold on. Let me save this for last. Okay, so I got like an adjustable strap here. I got, you know, the usual, the booklet with the hair care and everything listed inside, you know, some gorgeous models inside, including myself. And then we got an edge brush and comb lastly in the package. So let's see what we got. Okay, so it's a nice red box. Ooh, I got this cute little bracelet. This is so cute. Oh, to RPG. Always looking out for your girl. Okay, I'm so appreciative. Thank you, RPG. So let's see the wig that we got today. Alright, so I got another pixie cut like bob. Always love getting these wigs. Oh my gosh, you guys know I love a good short wig, right? This, oh my gosh, can we talk about how silky this is right out of the packaging? This feels so good. So this is a pixie cut bob. As I told you guys, it's 8 inches long, super short. And I love how like molded it is. Like it's sucking down on the cap. It's not like flickered off. Like it, so you know, once you put this on your head, it will like, you know, go in one direction and kind of lie and take the shape of your head, which I can't wait to try this on. So yeah, this is 8 inches long, and this is the upgraded clean hairline on this one. So in the past, I did a similar wig like this from them. I installed a similar wig like this from them, but it did not have the clean hairline. So they upgraded this very same wig with clean hairline. Oh my gosh. So you can imagine how much more natural this is going to even look. Like, I love that for us. Oh my gosh. And this, the code for this wig is BOB22, so you can check it out. And if I do have any discount codes available, you know, you can just check my description box for that. As you can see, this is of a natural color, you know, that natural 1B color. It looks really good, man. I love it. So you know, the hairline is already pre-bleached, it's already tinted, it's all of that. You don't have to worry about doing that. It comes with a total of 4 combs on the inside of the cap. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then there are adjustable straps in the back. All right, and this is also a standard medium cap size. Okay, so love that. So now that I show you guys how the wig looks, let's go ahead and get this installed. I can't wait. We're doing a ball cap install today. Oh my gosh, this is so laid. So for the edges, like for the edge here you see of the wig cap, I'm gonna fix that with glue. I just didn't like have to go over that with any more of my spray, because I knew that once I apply the glue to it, it will, you know, melt right down. Oh my gosh, this is so melted. Go ahead and show you the back. This is how the back looks. Alright, looks so good. Let me just cut away I'm gonna just go ahead and cut away like the portion that's in my eye. Guys, you see the hairline? A long time RPG, we gotta do them things today. Like, they get it. They get it, you know? Like, you don't want cut hair, but you want a nice realistic short wig. This is your wig. Go ahead and get started. I'm doing a glue install with this, okay? And I'm so happy. Like, I think I should just do it as one. So I'm gonna cut away the excess around the ear portion. So I'll just start with the whole process of applying my glue. The area is already cleansed, you know, and stuff. So, you know, once you cleanse your area and everything, you could go ahead and start with your adhesive.
When I see you dancing, I'm like, hola, 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 hola. With your move fancy, make me wanna hola, 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 hola. I got your attention, spending that moolah, 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 moolah. I'm a drop popping, pocket, swola, 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 swola. Swola, 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 swola. Swola, swola, swola. When I see you dancing, I'm like, hola, 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 hola. See your move fancy, make me wanna hola, hola.
Okay, so I was just really feeling this meltdown, this realistic lace. Like, I know you guys see that, right? You see that meltdown? You see that meltdown? Yeah. I'm gonna just, go ahead and really push back everything with my hot comb.
Your attention, spending that moolah, 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 moolah. I'm a drop popping, pocket, swola, 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 swola. Swola, 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 swola.
This is the final look. 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. The wig is top tier. It feels good. The texture of the hair, it's just amazing. So I'm going to be sure to drop the direct link to this wig in my description box as usual. The specifications, they will be listed down there as well. So please check that out. Shout out to them for another bomb look. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Let me know how you like this wig in the comment section. And I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just want to go for yourself. Bye.